Welcome to Kūʻē Maile Aliʻi, The Queen's Women. The play was written, produced, and first directed by the late Helen Edyth, Didi M. Lincoln, Lee Kwai in 2001 and still remains relevant today. This is a reenactment of an event that happened in 1897 in Hilo, Hawaiʻi. Tonight, it is designed to be delivered as a reading. That means that the performers are able to use their scripts, but in all other ways, they reenact the play. Our performers are from our community. They are our neighbors and family and are not professional actors. They are you and me. What this also means is that you will be a part of the play too. We will have folks walk in front with signs that have words that you can say during the play and be part of the event too. We ask that you join us and let your voices be heard. And now, we begin. She wrote the article on September 22nd, 1897, on the deck of the passenger ship Australia, on her way home to San Francisco.
The strongest memory I have of these islands is the meeting house of the Salvation Army in Hilo on the island of Hawaii. It was a small, crude place, enough for 300 people, I believe. Bare rafters could be seen, and the bare walls were improved with some biblical teachings written in English and Hawaiian.
Mai ka ena yaʻoi iho, no ka lā a popo.
Don't boast about yourself for tomorrow.
Ma waho a'o Kristo a ole he ho'ola.
Without Christ, there is no salvation. As I entered, the bell of the foreign church, standing atop a beautiful hill in Hilo, rang 10 times. This place is filled with Hawaiian people, and outside there is a crowd of people who could not come in where they are standing patiently. This was a meeting conducted by the women. Nevertheless, several groups of men had come here. The women wore Mother Hubbard dresses of calico or cloth and wore white and black sailor hats. The men were dressed in coats and pants made like those of the Americans. Then the multitude of people separated, and 2 tall women entered who were dressed in black clothing. They wore black kid gloves with black hats that were decorated with black feathers. The slightly taller of the 2 had a noble and dignified demeanor of a queen. Red roses encircled the top of her hat, and lying upon her neck and breast was a lei expertly made for some flowers which were woven with palapalai fern. She was Mrs. Kūʻē Campbell, the president of Hui Hawaiʻi Aloha Aina o Nā Wahine. Her companion was the secretary of the group's branch in Hilo, Mrs. Emma Navahi. There are 100,000 people on these islands. Of these, not 3% have declared for annexation. To the natives, the loss of nationality is hateful, abhorrent. It is the old battle. white man against brown, might against right, strength against weakness, power and intellect and art against docility, inertia, and simplicity. A man suffering from an acute attack of annexation mania told me, "I tell the natives that work for me, you may as well walk out into the sea and attempt to push out the incoming wave with your two uplifted hands as to prevent what is coming. It's purely a question of conquest, I admit. We are stronger and we'll win. It's a survival of the fittest." He was a tall man, majestic, handsome face, 3/4 haole, as they say here. His hands were gripped tightly in front of him, and he looked down upon the heads bowed before him and gave a few short words of prayer for the opening. There is something impressive in strong prayers spoken in unfamiliar language. You do not hear words, but tones. He was appealing with his feelings, not his reason. And then the voice of the minister ended, and the audience replied,
Amen. Amen. Amen.
I watched Mrs. Navahi with curiosity when she stood and spoke to the people. I had never heard two women speak to the multitudes like this. Would the Hawaiian women be embarrassed, timid, or self-conscious? None of these things. Her candid manner was like Charlotte Perkins Stetson 2 years ago, the most interesting speaker at the Women's Congress. The thoughts of the Hawaiian women were on her subject, not herself. There was something pleasing in her manner of speaking which compelled me to look at her, while the person who translated for me by my side whispered her translation to me all the while the words were spoken.
He la hui nā waliwali kākou, ka la hui Hawaiʻi. A ole hoʻi o kākou I kaika, koe wale no, ko kākou lokahi like.
We are a weak nation of people, we Hawaiians, and we have no power unless we are united.
O Amelika hui puʻia, he aina kuʻokoʻa ia. O nā kanaka o Laila, he mau hoaloha. He mau hoaloha lākou no ka la hui nā waliwali.
The United States of America is an independent land, and the people there are friends. They are friends indeed of weak nations.
E hoʻike aku kākou ia lākou. E hoʻomā ike aku kākou ia lākou. E like me ko lako aloha I ko lako aina. E auamo I ka eha mamua ka haawi ana aku. Pēlā no ko kākou aloha I ko kākou aina. Ah. Oia.
We will show them. We will make them understand that just as they love their land and would endure suffering before giving it up, so do we love our land, and we pray that they do not take it from us.
O ko kākou manaʻolana e kūia nei me ke kūpaʻa, he poʻohiwi me ka poʻohiwi, he puʻuwai me ka puʻuwai.
Here is our hope, standing shoulder to shoulder, heart to heart.
O ka leo o nā kanaka, o ka leo no ia o ke akua.
The voice of the people is the voice of God.
He oia i'o, e lohe mai ana ka aina ma kēlā au o ka moana. A I ko kākou leo uwalo, e wawalo hele aku ai, alohe lako.
Surely the country on that side of the ocean hears our call for help. By joining our voices to cry for help, they will hear.
Ma ke ia palapala kākau inoa. Mai ke ia la. O oi no. O oi. E na wahine Hawaiʻi. Ua loa'a ia oi he wā e no'ono oi.
Upon this petition of ours that we are submitting for signatures today, you, the women of Hawaiʻi, it is you that have a chance to express your thoughts.
O ka palapala o nā kāne, e hoʻuna ia mai ana. No, e ka hui o nā kāne. O ka wā e pau ai I ke kākau inoa ia.
The men's petition will be sent on by the men's group as soon as the signing of the names by the men in Honolulu are completed.
A ole ke ia he mauhana e epa. A ole hoi he hoʻopuni-puni mā kou kākou alahele o ka hana. O ke ia wale no, kou kākou alahele e hakakai.
These are not underhanded actions, nor is our course of action deceitful. This is our only way to fight.
E ike ana na mea a pau, a e hoʻomaupopo. I ko kākou palapala hoʻopiʻi.
Everyone may see and know of our petition.
O ke ia no ko kākou aina, ko kākou Hawaiʻi.
This land is ours, our Hawaiʻi.
Ai, kolole. Pehea, e hoʻonelea nei kākou I ko kākou lahui.
Shall we be deprived of our nationality?
E hoʻohui ana kākou me Amelika.
Shall we be annexed to America?
At this time, the minister introduced a woman, Mrs. Campbell, to the people.
Yeah, ma make wau e hoʻolaunia au kou. Yeah, kau Kūʻē he lani Campbell.
She spoke with pleasant smiles, and the men and women stamped in approval and cheered. She spoke only a few words filled with hope. Sometimes she spoke as if she were persuading them all to trust her, with sincerity and gentleness of voice, as she leaned forward and said,
Aloha no. E kūpaʻa e kuʻu mau hoa aloha.
Stand firm, my friends.
O ke aloha I ka ʻaina, he mea nui ia oi a mea u. Ma mua o na mea a pauloa.
Love for the land is more important to you and to me than anything else.
E koa, e ikaika, a e vivo ole me ka hoʻomanawa nui.
Be brave, be strong, be fearless and steadfast. Our time will come.
E hiki mai ana, ko kākou wā, e kākau inoa ai, ma ke ia palapala hoʻopiʻi, nā poʻe na kanaka I aloha ia Hawaiʻi.
Sign your names to this petition, you people who love Hawaiʻi.
E hia la, e kākau inoa ana.
How many will sign?
She waved her gloved hands as she spoke, and immediately hundreds of waving hands were turned to her. Dark hands with short fingers and worn fingernails. They showed of poverty and of work, of contact with the land that they claimed.
He mea kākau nu pepa ke ia ne'i?
What is it? What did she say?
She says, here is a writer for the newspaper. She says to the people, tell her your feelings. Then America will know, and perhaps they will listen.
E ia hoi, he mea kākau nu pepa, e ia ne'i. E
And at that
olelo
time-
aku o kou iaia, I ko o kou manao. A ike no, na Amelika. A maliʻa paha, e hoʻolohe ana, lākou.
And at this time, something amazing happened. The men and women, they all stood up one by one and spoke a few words of faith.
My opinion. This is my feeling. I love my land. And I want to be independent now and forever.
I love this land too. I love this land. And I was born on this land. And I love it. Just as the American loves his land. And I ask all of you, would the American want his land to be taken, to be annexed?
I am very strongly opposed to annexation. How dare the Americans rob a people's independence? How dare they? I want the American government to do what is right. America, they helped to overthrow the queen. My queen, Aliʻi. She must be restored. We will never, never consent to annexation. I have an American father and a pure Hawaiian mother. It is her land, my mother's land, that I love. America has performed an unjust act. How could we love America? Let them see their wrongdoing and restore our queen. If the great nations were fair, they would not take our land. I will never consent to annexation. Say to America, I don't want annexation. I want my beloved queen.
That speaker, she is a good woman. She is a Christian, honest, kind, and charitable.
I oppose annexation and my entire family.
Give us our queen! No annexation! We want our queen!
I am speaking for the people behind me. They cannot enter, and they say they do not want annexation. No annexation.
I am Kauhi, Kalaoa, a place we call Ilovaiana. Our group has 300 members, and we really oppose annexation. All of us.
I love my land, and I oppose annexation. We look to America as our friend. Let her not be our enemy.
I am telling you the truth. The great majority of the people on Molokai completely oppose annexation. They are fearful that if annexed to America, their lands will be lost.
The foreigners will gather the benefits, and Hawaiians will be put in a worse position than they are today.
I am a mail carrier. Come, follow me to my district, and I will show you 2,000 Hawaiians that are opposed to annexation. And so I stand, we all stand, to show our love for our country and the Hawaiian flag, not the American flag.
Pane mai Hawaiʻi moku o ke awe. Koku ana honoa o Piʻilani. Ka koho mai kaua I o mano. Auku me ke one o ka kuhi hewa. A ole a e? A ole a e kau I ka pulima. Maluna o ka pepa o ka eneni. Ho'ohui aina kuʻai hewa. I ka pono sivila o ke kanaka. A ole mākou. A ole mākou a e mina mina. I ka puʻukala o ke aupuni. Ua lava mākou I ka pohaku. I ka ai ka maha o ka ina. Mahope. Mahope mākou o lili ulani. E loa e ka pono ka ina. Haina. Haina ia mai ana ka puana. O ka poʻe ia aloha I ka ina. Mahope mākou. Mahope mākou lili ulani. E loa e ka pono ka ina. Haina ia mai ana ka puana. O ka poʻe ia aloha I ka ina. Ua mau a ole pau.
Ua mau. ʻOnipaʻa.
Eo.
Mahalo nui.